Sanmonani, Dumelang, Absheni, back again, back with another video. Igama usabele umfana kaMdluli. And yes, people, let's talk about it. The draw was made, it's official. The FIFA World Cup 2026. It's going down, bafethu. And nibonile draw kuyenzakaleni. Bafana, Group A. Guess what? Opening game. Guess against who? Yes. 2010 all over again, bafethu. Mexico. El Tigre. Hey. Satwana wona labantu laba ngiyakhumbula akon Mukwena wasidlisa imbazo wabafaka bonke onside bakora. Rafael Marquez, I remember that game. But you know what I remember most? Simphiwe Shabalala's goal. The opening goal of the World Cup. Buffett, I'm excited for that game, but it's not only Mexico is a group in it, Buffett. We've got Korea Republic. Hyung Min Son, King Min Jae. If anibaz labantu laba hayi anibukeli ibhola nilazi ibhola. Mexico, Korea Republic, and either North Macedonia, Denmark, Republic of Ireland, or Czech Republic. One of them are joining us in our group, but I'm excited, Buffett. I'm excited. I don't know about Nina Utini. How did you see the draw? How are you feeling about the draw? Mina, positive. I'm positive. Ngimele AFCON. I'm not gonna judge into zoyenzakala next year, no June. Smeli AFCON. So let's start off by saying, what is America doing? What are they doing? Or should I say, what is FIFA and America and Donald Trump doing? Cause let me tell you something. Lawantu lava, they're gonna try and turn football. It's football, not soccer, ne? It's football. They're gonna try to change it to football yabo, the American. It's called American football. They're gonna do that. Basitshele ukuthi kuzoba nama halftime shows. For what? Halftime show for what? Perform abo Beyonce, abo Shakira. Who? Lauryn Hill. Come on, 15 minutes. Guys, here halftime, it's 15 minutes. So are you telling me they're gonna perform for you 15 minutes? Halftime shows? No, thank you. But it's gonna happen. They said it's gonna happen. I'm a halftime shows. They're trying to turn everything Americans. These Americans. Why? Asidinga ama halftime shows. Nge halftime sifuna ukuphuma sizenzele noma yini. Siphuza ama refreshments, siphuza amanzi, sibhemeni. Sikhulume nabangani bethu, discuss things, not to watch ama halftime show. Another one. Kevin Hart. I said it on my short. What is Kevin Hart doing there? Akalazi ibola. He doesn't know football, as he calls it, soccer. Akalazi ibola, but he's the fucking host. What a joke. Literally. He's a comedian. Doesn't know nothing about football. Okay. Sengphumile lapho. I'm done with them. Angnandaba. The World Cup. The draw was made last night, and yeah, I'm happy. So hlangana ni Mexico again. Raul Jimenez and Maz. Edson Alvarez and Maz. Guillermo Oko and Maz. If you're Mazi, drop a like below. Drop a like if you know who I'm talking about, guys. Hyung Min Son, Tottenham. King Min Jae, Bayern Munich. If you know them, drop a like. Hey, bafethu niyabona ukuthi ngigqokeni namhlanje. I forgot to say it. Final namhlanje. Another one. DJ Kali settings. Let's win another one, Orlando Pirates. But this is not about Pirates. This is about Bafana. AFCON first. Let's do well at AFCON. If we win it, let's win it. Let's fucking win it. We are good enough to win AFCON. Then when we go to the World Cup, Mexico, first game. Let's just leave it like that. So kunmanga Mexico next year. So kunmanga Mexico next year, bafethu. So yeah, bafethu, the draw was made. Mexico, Korea Republic, either North Macedonia, Czech Republic, Denmark, or Northern Ireland will be in our group. Yeah, amanye amagroup awenzile anginandaba nawe amagroup lawa anginandaba. The only fixture that I'm looking forward to in amanye amagroups, Brazil, Morocco. Aye. Chef kiss, what a game that will be. What a game. But Buffett, please, before I leave you all, please subscribe to your boy. It's easy, Buffett. The subscribe button, you will press on the T, guy one, you will subscribed. Like the video. Please, people, like the video. Comment down below. Make your boy his dreams come true, Buffett. Content creator, YouTube. Ngisazoyiletha content, ngisazoyiletha relevant content, Buffett. Ngilethanga la amanga, ngizoletha into relevant. Yeah, I'm happy with the draw. Are you happy with the draw? And ngiyabona ku Twitter, Buffett. Conscious people. Siyazi ukuthi it's going to be a tough group. We are not strolling down that group. We are not. Finish second. What an achievement that will be. Ngakhohle asikaze sifike siphuma kuma group stage thina. Bafana South Africa, FIFA World Cup history. We've never been out of the group stage. This is our chance, Bafethu. It's not going to be easy, but stars might align. The stars might align. Hey, Bafethu, ngizonibona ngo-6 o'clock. Ngakhohle idlala iklap enkulu Bafethu namhlanje. Another final. Another final. Ngizonibona Bafethu, ngiyabonga. Thank you for supporting your boy. To all my subscribers, ngiyabonga for pressing that subscribe button, for watching your boy. I appreciate it. I'm out, Bafethu. Bless.